Hey guys, welcome back to Adele Stack, and today I will be showing you how to know if someone deleted your comment on TikTok. So guys, I would like to tell you to know someone deleted your TikTok comment, it will be disappearing from the video and you might see a notification in your inbox saying your comment was removed if it violated any guidelines or if you just notice it's gone without explanation. So just simply open up the TikTok application and you could just simply check your inbox down below, and if there are any comments that your comment was removed because it violated the guideline, it will show up over here. Or if you want to double check, you could just simply go to your profile and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the settings and privacy at the bottom of the screen. And from here, you would just simply go ahead and scroll down into the content and display. And you will have an option activity center. And from here, you will have the comment history. So here on the comment history, you should be able to see all your past comments and the videos there were on. And if your comment is gone from here, most likely it's deleted. And guys, if you go back to the original video and your comment is gone, it means that it is deleted. So guys, remember that you won't get any pop-up saying your comment was deleted by a user unless it violated TikTok community guidelines, in which cases you should be able to see a notification in your inbox. So pretty much those are the only way to know if someone deleted your comment. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.